A new lawsuit filed in Wayne County has more allegations against a nurse accused of sexually assaulting patients at the hospital he worked at. Wilfredo-Berrios is already facing several sexual assault charges while working at Sinai-Grace Hospital.
And now 2 more victims are coming forward with their claims. I listened in on a press conference to hear what their lawyers had to say.
It's fundamental to our community that hospitals keep people safe. Sinai-Grace has betrayed that fundamental responsibility.
Strong words said by attorney Tim Holland on Tuesday as he and his team announced a new lawsuit against a nurse already accused of sexual assault in the hospital he worked at.
I think perhaps the worst thing here is the amount of evidence showing him to have been a known predator.
Holland, lead counsel of the Michigan sexual assault lawyer, says he and his team filed a new lawsuit against Wilfredo-Berrios in Sinai-Grace Hospital. The suit claims Berrios sexually assaulted a patient, Trejah Shines, who was a licensed practical nurse while she received treatment at Sinai-Grace back in July.
Allegations and what happened to Ms. Shines is that first, the known predator performed an unnecessary pap smear upon her. And then after that, she was drugged with a type of sedative, and then she was assaulted over some time that we believe to be upwards of an hour.
The suit also claims that a rape kit was used on Shines and came back positive, and that she reported the alleged assault to police that same day. The suit goes on to say that Sinai-Grace had chances to prevent the assault years before it happened.
He had worked there for 2 years prior to our client being assaulted. And we think that the evidence will show that Sinai-Grace had multiple chances to catch him, prevent this.
Holland says his team is working with Wayne County Prosecutor Kim Worthy to bring charges against Berrios. He currently is facing several other CSC charges. Holland says he hopes not only to bring justice for the victims he's working for, but also to help others who haven't come forward.
For every person that has had their story told, the likelihood of justice for the people that have already come forward increases, the likelihood of justice for them increases, and the likelihood that this will never happen again also increases.
And Holland says he and his team are working with another victim that wants to remain anonymous at this time. He plans to file that suit with that victim in the near future.